No, it's not your mom. Your mom's enjoying a nice relaxing day off. Oh, you're gonna bail on that?
Oh, I ain't that. I'm in between the poles.
Half of the way. Half of a lake, right?
Yeah, pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Aren't you guys having fun?
Yeah.
You want to smoke? No? Okay. Good answer, Alistair. I think that looks like it was a nice chair for you at one point there, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Me too. Look at all the green moss in the snow, Alistair.
You hear things? I can hear something too.
Sasquatch. Sasquatch.
Us.
Yeah, there's people ahead of us. Lead on, buddy. Lead on. How's that backpack feeling on your back?
Good.
Good? Keeps you warm, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Got all you got food for in there for days in case we get lost. Your mom packed you right up.
We won't get lost.
What?
We won't get lost.
Why not?
We just have to follow the trail.
Just have to follow the trail. Yeah, that sounds easy enough. Sounds easy enough, buddy.
Why did it get from mountain bike?
What?
It says a mountain dog.
Or maybe a wolf.
Which way do you want to go?
To the right.
I'm gonna go this way.
Okay. I'll see you when we get home.
It's actually more down. lie down, that's so bad. Really go that way. Go cross the Risking Lake.
I think we go this way.
Yeah.
I think that's a campsite. Anybody want to go have a sit down? Did anybody want to sit down for a sec?
Yeah?
Sure, you don't want to catch up with these people.
Oh,
It's the red one we go on now, right?
that's, yeah, this way, right? Is that the red one?
That way, I think.
Red one. Looks like it's going that way.
That way.
Okay, they're the people we're following. They've went.
They went that way? Oh,
Yeah.
there's a red one there.
Yeah. This is the campsite, I think, but we could take it and it goes down to the lake.
Oh, okay.
Or we could take a sit down on the seat. No.
Well, that backpack sits back on his back. You don't look comfortable walking in it.
I think he wears that every day to school.
Is that what you take to school every day?
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like it's right down to your thumb, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, it's all the way up, isn't it?
Oh, it's brand new. They've got it